Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the auxiliary heater on Volkswagen Tiguan first generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools or diagnostics. If you have problems with the auxiliary heater, we'll explain what you need to check, where you can find these relays, fuses as well. After that, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Auxiliary heater, fuses and relays. Guys, we'll be working multiple fuse boxes and one of them is under the hood, but let's start with the hidden fuse box. You wonder where it's located. Okay, guys, right here. If you come on the driver's side, open the door on the left side of the steering wheel, under the dash, you see we removed one panel right here. We get to another fuse box and relays. You have some more hidden relays in the back. That's why, guys, we made one special video on our channel that's called VW Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that will teach you about all your hidden fuses, relays, and how to get to them. Video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, guys, by the way, before we start, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. The auxiliary heater, guys. Okay, here we'll be working multiple fuse boxes. The first thing we want to check is fuse number 15. If you come in this little fuse box right here with the mini fuses, the numbers will be listed right underneath, and fuse number 15 is this 10 amp fuse, guys, right here. Then you need to check, okay, after that, fuse number 28. So that's 25, 6, 7, 8. If you have that option, it will be this fuse right here. Okay, the fourth fuse in that big row from left to right on top. Now, we're, guys, okay, not done yet. Here you have some relays, some in the back. Most likely your auxiliary heater relays are in the back. We will explain where, okay? Let us show you that and then we'll come to another fuse box that's under the hood. So first let's go to the computer because it's hard to see that fuse box there, okay? But here, that's the fuse box, guys, okay? The relay box, excuse me. And that's the diagram of that relay box. Here specifically what we need to check will be relay, guys, 1, which is known as that relay. Relays 7 and 8. Depending on the years, it could be any of these relays, guys. Now, under the hood, guys, under the hood you have a fuse box on the driver's side, facing the engine on the right side. On the driver's side, this is the fuse box. When you open it, For the facelifted version 2012 to 2017, we couldn't find exact information which fuse is right here for the auxiliary heater, but if you have, most likely, it's very likely that it could be fuse number 11, but if you have 2008 to 2011 model, the fuse box will differ. Okay, and it will look like this one, and we still need to check, guys. Fuse number 11 will be right here if you have that one. That will be for your auxiliary heater. But those are the main fuses. If you still have problems with it, we'll recommend to check the regular heater fuses relays on Volkswagen Tiguan. You have many more that control all the systems, heating, air conditioner, ventilation, blower motor, and all that stuff. So the video is called VW Tiguan heater fuse relay location. It's on our channel. Check it out if you still need help with it. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.